I want to get my phone out first.
Sorry.
Married it.
So, what are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Doing something.
What?
Nothing.
Audio. No. ATT. No. Audio. Shop tone.
Oh.
It's not called that, but
So you have to buy them?
yeah. Where do you get your ringtones from?
Mixer.com.
I have to go there.
MYXER. You can either search it or you can make your own. Like, I could make one of these videos. We could be talking. I could make that my ringtone. And that's how I was making the best day ever ringtone. I kept playing the song to see what part I wanted.
So you could put that one jank.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Tell me.
No.
Why?
Cause I'm gonna tell you later.
You won't tell me on video?
Nah.
Can you whisper it in my ear?
No.
Well, then I'm gonna stop this and then I'll start it again after you tell me. Stop. Stop, Phil.
It's just so funny to say.
You can make that your ringtone for me.
Alright.
I'll get it. I should play that instrumental and have you do it. And then have it legit. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Why is that funny?
I can't laugh.
Yeah.
You was trying to make me laugh.
I didn't try.
So you know you did?
Yeah.
I guess that is true. I did laugh.
Yeah.
You know you say.
No, I'm doing it myself.
Excuse me.
Excuse.
Y'all really do look funny in this picture.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a video.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said, yeah, it is.
Cause I look so smacked in both of them.
I know.
Smoking that.
Yeah.
For y'all, keep that up. Wake up.
I am awake.
Wake up. She tried to say she wasn't asleep last night.
Shut up. I don't remember falling asleep and I don't remember waking up.
Funny. I've done that before. You remember I did that before? That one time when I was like, I don't even remember falling asleep and I don't remember waking up and answering the phone.
Yeah, oh, yeah. You're looking too hard, Joe.
That's what I was saying.
The fuck? Why? For what? See, if we could just park in front of his house, that would be less sketchy than.
I would never do that.
I mean, nah, not unless he said we could.
That's too trill if you do that. You pulling this
You only
off.
do that shit at night, like, but not in a neighborhood like this. There gotta be other cars in the street, and it gotta be dark. We were talking about that last night.
Yeah. Because people be doing that.
Mm-hmm. What?
This song always comes on.
I know, but
I'm always driving now. You look so high in this picture.
yeah.
I don't even know what the picture is that. Damn. Truly bombing it today. I ain't even got a regular shirt on. I got an undershirt on. A sweater.
Push my nose ring down. Thank you.
No.
It's alright.
I don't care. She just don't want to hold the computer.
Because it was so much easier for me to do that.
She gonna be mad at me.
She's straight.
Yeah, she smacked me.
No, that's how she felt. She wanted to sleep. She said, fuck y'all bitches talking and shit.
My phone, that's alive.
You see the screensaver? That's us. That's the first picture we ever took together. Oh,
They can't see.
that was the first time for a couple things.
Oh yeah.
Like going to your house. Tropical lean.
Yeah.
420 together.
And some other stuff.
Bob Marley shirts matching. First Friday in our relationship.
Oh yeah.
First time going to the store and buying a pipe together. Or bowl.
Oh yeah.
That said pipe on it.
A lot of other things too. But we won't discuss that right now.
Oh, I thought it cut off. Yeah.
Why have I heard this song before? I wish my CD player worked.
Thank you. You want to take pictures?